I came up from nothing, just imagine that. Now I got my own, just imagine.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yaz here. You know, beginning of the week, Monday. New video coming out every Monday. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and be sure to leave a thumbs up. And today's video is going to be an unboxing. I ordered some stuff from Amazon and I wanted to unbox them with you. So I have this small box and I have this big box. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to open this a small package. I know what it is. I ordered a, well, you'll just see when I open the box. But you know, your girl has that Prime, so that 2 free day shipping comes in handy. Be careful when you're opening a box with scissors. Okay, so the first thing I have in my box are some makeup brushes. You know, I am trying to expand my makeup creativity. So these are mixing brushes for your face, and I thought they were for your eyes, but I guess not. So I'm going to have to order some more brushes for my eye. Oops, for my to do my eyeshadow and eye art, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I read reviews on these and I looked at videos on YouTube before I bought them, and they said once you get them they smell like fresh paint, but I don't get that from these. I mean, they smell fine to me, so hopefully they work just as well. The next thing I got is this Impress You Beauty Glaze palette. It has eyeshadows in it, and it's supposed to be a dupe for the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, eyeshadow palette, and this is a full palette, so make sure if you do get this, be careful with it on the road because it will bend. And I also looked at reviews on this, and I looked at this palette and the Jaclyn Hill palettes, and they do look similar, guys. They do look similar. These are all the colors, and yes, they are bomb, so bomb. But I needed, the reason that I ordered this eyeshadow palette, one, I wanted to get a cheap eyeshadow palette so that I won't buy a expensive one and then end up not liking it, because this is basically for me to practice my eyeshadow art creativity. But yeah, I have to say, if you have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, they do look similar. Hopefully they work the same. So I'm excited to try this, because all my other eyeshadow palettes are either neutral browns, neutral pinks, or like a reddish color. I have yet to have a palette with this variety of color, so I'm very excited for this. And the next thing, the last thing that I have in the small box is this Essential Skin Spa Facial Cleansing System. This is the box. Y'all, I'm really into like facial masks and facial scrubs and stuff, as I've said before in my previous videos. And so I just like, especially when you have on makeup, I hate using makeup wipes and then having to like use the Biore or Noxzema, but I have to apply with my hands instead of a brush. And I feel like when I wash it off, that all the makeup isn't completely gone. So I wanted to get this facial cleansing brush so that when I do take off my makeup, I know that it is actually coming off because of the brush. So I'm just gonna take it out. Pink packaging. I probably have to buy batteries for this. Normally you do. If I can get it open. But y'all, it's so cute. I'm excited to use this. I don't know how to open it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy batteries for this, so good thing I'm about to go out in a little while. So I'm very excited for this brush. It comes with a brush already on it. It also comes with more brushes. So if you want to, you know, brushes for different things, I'm not sure, because this is my first time having this type of facial brush. I'm pretty sure this is like the massage thing because it has the roller balls on it. And yeah, I mean, definitely excited for this. Amazon is a really good, this is not a sponsorship, y'all, but I order from Amazon all the time and they do have good stuff, don't get me wrong. But yeah, if you want to go get this, I will link it down below, and this is what the box looks like. So that's all the thing, that's everything I got in the small box. I'm definitely excited for all of this, especially this eyeshadow palette. The next thing I got, well, the next thing I am about to open is this box, this huge box. So I know what's in this box as well, but you guys are about to, you know, check out what's in this box. Ooh. I really didn't even need these scissors. So we have boxes within boxes, guys. Look at this. Boxes within boxes. So let's open these small boxes up. This is the first small box. No wonder why they put it in a big box, because they had smaller boxes inside. Now this box I'm going to need the scissors with for and exactly what I thought it was, y'all. No, what am I trying to say? Okay, y'all, if you have seen the spicy noodle challenge, give my video a thumbs up, because that is what I ordered. This whole pack, I bought this whole pack of noodles knowing that if it's as spicy as everyone says it is, I am not going to be able to eat this. And yeah, I'm about to actually film a video with these, so you'll see that not this Monday but the next Monday. And I hope my video is going to be, you know, bomb, because I've been wanting to do this challenge for the longest, especially watching other YouTubers on TV like DDG, Kennedy, who else did the challenge? Just a whole bunch of people did the challenge. Chris and Queen, Perfect Last, and came with chopsticks. Y'all, I do not know how to use chopsticks, so I'm gonna attempt to try to use them, but I don't know if it's gonna work out. But yeah, definitely excited for this, and I'm definitely going to get milk instead of water, because I know that works. This summer when I was at the University of Mississippi, aka Ole Miss, like I was there taking college classes or whatever in the Locked Leadership Program, and every weekend, so Friday and Saturday and Sunday, I think it was Sunday night, Sunday evening, but when the weekend started on Friday, we got to like go out or go to the movies or like go out to eat, anything you wanted to do. You just had to tell them what you wanted to do. So one time, one weekend, a group of people and I went to Buffalo Wild Wings, y'all. It was me, my girl Mimi, Woody, aka Jawante, and Anisha, and some other people. I forgot their names. Sorry, y'all. I didn't forget y'all's names, but I forgot who was there with me. But we went, and there was this girl, and she got the third level from the bottom, hottest wing, and we all tried one, y'all. The water was not doing anything for me. My lips were burning, my tongue was burning. So if the noodles are as spicy as her wings, then I know I'm gonna fail this challenge. But the next thing I got came in this bag, and it is a camera tripod, because the one that I'm currently filming on is one that you just walk around with, and it's really not even up to par like I thought it was gonna be. So I ordered another tripod, and this one actually can stand up. Hopefully it fits on my camera. It better fit on my camera. But yeah, it's this brownish color, and it's like this, and the legs are down here. It's supposed to be 15 feet. So I just stand it up like this. You all know what a tripod is. I don't have to show you. But yeah, so I'm going to actually use this to film my spicy noodle challenge in a little while. So if you see this video Monday and I have on this I Love Pears shirt, and you see the next Monday's video and I have on this I Love Pears shirt, it's because I did pre-film the spicy noodle challenge. So don't worry. And I did take a bath. So that is all for this video, and I'm excited to use all these products. I will link them down below, and be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and bye.
Human being, and I came up from nothing, just imagine that. Now I got my own, just imagine that.